All right, so we's got a box. This box is from RC Logger, or better known these days as Drone Art, as far as what I've got in the box. I want to say, first of all, huge thanks to Jamie, all the guys, but more importantly, Jamie, for reaching out to me and asking me to take a look at it and play with it. So, y'all ready to take a look at, see what a Drone Art Imprimo Micro looks like and what it can do? I am. So we'll open up the box. I just got it from DHL. Ja. All right, bubble wrap. Cool. It's gonna be a box in a box, of course. But cool. So there you go. There's the back. It says what it is, but we will look at the front. Ooh, it's got a sticky note on it, and it says it's been inspected. Hey, quality control, man, quality control. However you got to get it done, I appreciate that. So here's the box. Let's see. It says Free Sky, FR Sky, BNF, which is a bind and fly, FPV ready. So this kit will come into 3 different models. You can get one without FPV. You can get one that is FPV ready. And then they're gonna have one coming soon that I really am excited about, because I'm curious after flying Connects to see how somebody can make a micro HD, but they also have a micro HD version coming. So we'll see about that one, but this is the one that for today I am super excited about playing with. So the box, Drone Art. Again, Drone Art is really cool. If you don't know what Drone Art is, it says right here, www.droneart.com. Go check them out. But RC Logger is a company that's been around in the RC game for a long time, and RC Logger is actually the parent company for Drone Art. Drone Art is a couple of guys that are working with these, or for them, that are producing art. Drones that are also art. So it's really cool. I spent a week with them pretty much across the hall, or across the exhibit from theirs with ours at CES, and that's how I met them. And let's take a look at what it is. The box though is really well done, and I love a good box. I mean, packaging is everything to me. It's got their little logo. It says the Ultimate Micro Drone Kit. Build your own. On this side, Imprimo, STEM focused hands-on learning, hobbyist quality with plug and play ease. Beta flight inside, some other stuff, right? Fun and versatile, build your way, over-engineered electronics core, I like that. Powerful micro brushless power, and yes, it is brushless, so cool. Let's give it a rip. Inside is on the back, the details that's in it. It says it has a flight controller, RX, all these things. So I guess I got the kit, so I didn't know if it was ready to go or not, but I guess this is a kit, so we'll see. I honestly was not sure what I was getting. I just knew that I was getting an Imprimo. All right, so open it up. Okay, it makes a little more sense now. Now, again, I'm all about packaging. Look at that. It's got foam in the top of the box lids. So smart, so smart. So it looks like the stack and everything is already there. The motors, oh, okay, cool. Okay, it's not built. So it looks like it might be built underneath, but it's not. So we got motors. It looks like you pull those out one by one, maybe. I don't know. I'm just gonna pull the whole thing out. Oh, okay, cool. Hey, such smart packaging. This is actually really smart. So this little flaps tuck in and just pull it straight out. And apparently that's gonna be the Imprimo, and it's got the little shape of the frame that's supposed to be printed. So this is the kit version, now that I know. Let's see, how do we open? Okay, there goes one motor. Oh, they just pull out. Okay, 2 motors, 3 motors, 4 motors. Now, something really cool, let me take the stack out too. The stack just pulls straight out, it looks like, and the plug is kind of, dude, that is such smart. I mean, it really is just super smart packaging, because everything is held in by friction and it's done well. I love that. So the first thing you're gonna notice right off the bat, right, is all the plugs that are on the motors. Pretty cool stuff. So let's see if we can get closer without getting too unfocused. The camera doesn't like that much zoom. All right, there we go. So all the motors have these tiny itty bitty, I believe these are Molex type plugs, but they're like micro balance plugs basically. They're really small, same thing. And they also have them on the ESCs. And so the motors are all plug and play. This is a fully plug and play, no solder kit that they developed as far as how you assemble it. So we're gonna hopefully get this whole thing put together right now. We're gonna follow the little instructions. Speaking of, let's zoom back out. And it's got a JST plug, so here's the instructions that were in the box too. Let's see what it says. Instructions, oh, okay, not instructions. This is not. I will say that they told me the manual was not printed yet, that it was at print right now, and so they gave me a link to it, so we'll have to maybe pull it up. But I hope to really not need I mean, we're gonna see. I mean, hopefully without really a manual, I can build this. Next box, drone art, the art of building drones. Pretty cool. And again, a well packaged box it looks like. So there's your 3D prints. There's the battery. It's got a little 1300 2S battery, or 300 milliamp. I said 1300. It's like a mini 1300. It's a 300 milliamp 2S pack. Here's the camera, it looks like. Camera in VTX, you know, your standard little 25 watt micro cam VTX. And then we'll take a look at the prints. So this is the body kit, the motor mounts, it looks like, a couple of other things, all the different ways. So it's got a couple different canopies, one for FPV, which is, actually it looks like 2 FPV canopies. One's got a tilt and one it is not. And so that's cool, camera tilt. This is gonna be the base plate. I'm not sure, this probably is somehow maybe in the middle, I'm not sure, we'll look, or maybe that's the top plate. And then this is for the non-FPV version. If you wanna build it and not put the camera on it, you can. I mean, some people might wanna line of sight this thing, it'll be pretty fun. But that's all those little prints. Again, we got a couple of other little things. I don't know really what they are. We'll see. That's the camera mount holder for sure. Motor mounts, obviously. All these little prints are really nice. These are actually molds, it looks like. Yeah, these are molded parts. But you can print all of these parts on your own 3D printer. Anyways, so here's the other box. Another box in the bottom. The art of building a drone again. We'll see what's in here. Should be props, okay. Counterclockwise. Clockwise, cool, red and black, pretty cool, clear. And then it looks like the rest of the parts you're gonna need. So wow, lots of stuff in here. Okay, oh cool. So I did get a second battery. Jamie, thank you. Jamie asked them to send me a second battery so I could, you know, have some decent flight time. I appreciate it. I did, by the way, go ahead and at his recommendation, bought some other batteries, just, you know, my own choice was a Tattoo 300. You'll see I taped around the really long battery lead and taped it around the edge just so it shortens it up. And then I went ahead and got a bunch of Gym Fan 2039 Hulkies. Wait, yeah, 2039s. So I've got a bunch of Hulky props that I'm gonna also test. Jamie told me those were gonna be the best ones that he preferred. So we've got all these little boxes open. Let me get everything organized for a second here. I got batteries. We don't need those. We'll set those aside. My batteries are charged. We have motors. We have frame. This is some sort of balance cable, or I don't know. I don't know what that is yet. Oh, balance extension? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I need that for, but I don't need it. This is a USB of some sort to do some programming, I suppose. I don't know. Maybe that's what this is. This might plug into a UART or something. I don't know. We'll see. I'll get the manual. Here's all the screws for the motors. There's the tools, some double stick tape, more screws, motor mounts and all that. Okay. So that's going to be the unboxing of everything you get. Again, you know, the little USB to something with a cable. I'm not sure. I have to find the manual. I did not expect this to come this afternoon, but I wanted to go ahead and shoot the video on it. So that's your unboxing. You line up the 4 motors. get again a good little shot of this. Your stack. This stack again is pretty cool, man. It's all-in-one ESCs with these little pads soldered to them. It's supposed to be running Betaflight. It's got some dampeners in there, so it's pretty cool. So that's the stack. There's your camera. You got your props, and then you've got obviously again all your prints and all that, and then you've got frame, and then you don't need that stuff. You got tools, tape, and you've got more screws, O-rings, stuff like that, and then more screws. Lots of screws. I don't know why there's so many screws. We'll see. But yeah, there we go. So we will see how fun this can be very, very soon. We'll shoot the build video whenever we get around to building it. Thanks again, Jamie, and Drone Art. Fly safe, fly smart. Hey, fly drone art. Peace.